Cornerstone OnDemand pricing explained what you get for your money. Cornerstone OnDemand is a learning and talent management platform, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just an LUMS. The surprising truth is Cornerstone integrates learning, performance management, recruiting, and employee engagement into one platform, providing measurable ROI for businesses. Pricing varies depending on modules, company size, and deployment options. Small businesses can start with learning-only solutions around $2 per user per month, while enterprise plans with performance, recruiting, and analytics can range from $2 per user per month. You won't believe the depth of features included: customizable learning paths, AI-driven recommendations, performance reviews, succession planning, and compliance tracking. Most people get this wrong by looking only at per user costs. Cornerstone's real value comes from the integration of multiple processes, analytics that guide talent decisions, and automation that saves for teams hours of administrative work. Many companies report improved employee engagement and reduced turnover, which can easily offset the platform's cost. In conclusion, Cornerstone OnDemand pricing is modular and scalable, allowing businesses to pay for what they need while accessing powerful features. By understanding per-user pricing, available modules, and the potential efficiency gains, you go from zero to pro in assessing if Cornerstone delivers value for your organization's learning and talent management needs.